Digitizing site boundaries might sound like a highly technical process that requires expensive GIS software. However, for the purpose of the AEWA site inventory, very simple tools can be used to do the job. In this tutorial, we show how to digitize site boundaries using Google Earth Pro, which can be downloaded from the internet free of charge and can be used on a desktop computer. Once Google Earth Pro is installed on your computer, create a folder for the AEWA site boundaries. You can do this by selecting Folder from the Add menu. For example, to digitize the boundaries of the Rusinga Island in Lake Victoria on the western border of Kenya, for which we only have the coordinates at this stage, in the Add menu, we select the Add Polygon command. We enter the site ID into the name field. Then we start drawing the site boundaries. Depending on the conservation objective, the boundary can closely follow the island's shoreline or also include some of the lake. If we click in the wrong place, we can always correct it by pressing the backspace button. When we have finished drawing the polygon, we click on the OK button and the polygon will be saved in our folder in Google Earth Pro. After drawing the boundaries, we may wish to change some details. For example, the colour of the boundaries. To do this, we right-click on the name of the file in the folder, select the Get Info command from the pop-up menu, then go to the Style Colour tab and change the colour of the line and the line width. We can also modify the boundaries. To do this, we need to select a point along the boundary. A green dot will indicate if we have selected a dot on the boundary line. Then we can delete the unnecessary points to the right by pressing the backspace button. We then choose a point on the boundary line and drag it to a new position. We repeat this as long as is necessary. It might happen that we do not manage to click on the outline. In this case, we can use the backspace to correct our mistake. Once we are satisfied with the changes, we can click on the OK button and a new version will be saved. It is also possible that different sites are digitized by different people. In such cases, we can save the KML or KMZ file on our hard disk, and using the Open command in the File menu, we can import the new file into our Google Earth. Then we simply drag and drop it from the temporary places into our AEWA folder. If you want to export the whole folder, For example, to send it to the AEWA Secretariat, you simply right-click on the folder and select Save. You can also do this with individual files.